The video opens with a promotional montage for a welding program. Set to upbeat music, scenes show students welding, grinding metal, operating a cutting machine, and working together in an industrial shop. Text overlays appear throughout. Fast-track your welding career. Welding proficiency in 1 year or less. Identify and solve problems. Hone your skills through observation and doing. Work with machinery and tools. Thrive when technically and physically challenged. A student lifts his welding visor and smiles as text builds on screen. The full phrase then fills a black screen. This is your program. The Nicolet College logo appears on white, a white leaf silhouette inside a gold circle, beside the words Nicolet College.